About to clean up this Camaro. About to use the WhipPotion wash and wax, window cleaner, and the tire gel. About to get them cleaned up. Add about 4 ounces of WhipPotion. That should be enough. Got them lathered up. All right, so we got all of the soap washed off. The WhipPotion formula, the windows still need to be cleaned. About to hit those. About to go ahead and do the tire shine. Give you one moment. So we're about to use this right here on the tires. So we just put the tire shine in. Wet. Still gotta do the windows with that tire. Clean, no streaks at all. Clean. Glass.
I'm gonna pull it in the garage.